guys, join me. Let's decorate this white turn-up hat. Join me. Let's decorate it. So I'll be working with a lot of things. I will decorate it with this, with the pearls, with this half bow that I've joined together, the sinamay half bow, with the loop, this coiled loop, and with this, some quill stick. These are the things I'll be using to decorate this. So join me and watch how I will achieve that. Okay? So let me keep all this by the side while we take it one by one. So I will start with the veil net. I'll be creating like a bow for the veil net, and I'll be using let me see. I'll be using length of 16 inches or 18 inches. 18 inches. I'll be using the length of 18 inches. I want to mark where the inches are first. So let me also mark it here. Then I'll cut it out. So I'll be using this. This is my 18 inches. So I will bring these two heads together to form the bow. So this is how I normally do that. These two heads, I will use like a gathered stitch to bring them together. Okay, so bring it together. Once I've done this, I'll open it up. And then this place that I've gathered together, I will take it to the middle of this. Okay? Then I'll also bring this together. So this is mostly how I form my bow, just like a free form work. Just a free form, and I form the bow. You see that is simply what I do. These parts that I've gathered together, I'll take it to the center of this. So when I take it to the center, I'll bring this side down and also bring this side down. So you can form your bow anyhow you want, so far you achieve your bow. But at times I create just a free form bow. Okay? So I can decide to tie it. I can decide to tie it and stitch it down. Okay, so this is our bow. Let me keep it aside. Let me keep it aside. So the next thing now is to decide how I want to do this. Okay. So the next thing is to start adding the peel stick. I'll use this big needle to create holes so that I can easily stitch it. So I'll use it to create holes on the field stick. Create the hole. I'll be working with 3 wheel stick. 3. Create hole on this as well. And I'll create hole on this as well. Okay, now that I have my hole, let me go ahead to start stitching it down. It will be very easy to stitch down now that I already have a hole on it. Pass it through the hole. Okay, so I will bring in this longest one. That's the way I want to place it. So I'll bring in the longest one and also pass it through the hole and tack it down. Then I'll bring in the last one, pass it through the hole as well and tack it down. So once you have done this, you will notice that with just the thread, it's not enough to hold it well, okay? So I'll bring in this candle glue, apply it at that spot. It will help it make it firm to stand, okay? So that is what I will do here. I'll apply the glue in between each of them and allow it to dry. Once it's dry, it's firm. It will become firm on the hard base. Once it dries, become very firm on the hard base. Okay, so now that I've applied my glue, let me use the hand to set it the way I want it. Okay, I'll bring in my second decoration, which is this bow, this half bow that I've already joined together. I'll place it on top of this. You see that? So when I place it on top, I'll stitch it as well. I hope you are following and I hope you are finding this helpful. We are simply decorating our hard base. We're simply decorating our hard base. Simply decorating our hard base. So I want to stitch it down. I want to stitch it down. Okay, so I've stitched it on top of the peel. I've stitched it on top of the peel. So the next thing I'm bringing is my bow. So with this bow, I will apply a glue. Then I'll stick it down. So with this bow, I'll apply a glue there and I'll stick it down. So this is how I want it to appear. Then we move to the next decoration. Next decoration I'll bring in here is this coiled loops. Okay, that's the next decoration that will come in. And I will simply apply my glue here. This glue, you can apply it and leave it for just few seconds for it to dry up a bit. It helps it stick. Okay, so apply it, leave it for a few seconds. So we'll go ahead to stick. I'm sticking it on top of that bow at the middle of the bow. So I'm sticking it there. So once I've done this, I will start uh, fixing these pearls. I'll start fixing the pearls. So I'll pick one, pass my needle through it, and fix. I want to fix about 5 or 6 of it. Let me see how many is there. Okay, what we have here is 7. I can go ahead to fix the 7 or just 6. Alright guys, so this is it after stitching the pearls. You see how beautiful it stays there. Okay, so now when you put it on, it should look this way. Let me bring this up. So when you put it on, so when you put it on, so when you put it on, it should look this way on your seats. Okay, so this is simply how to decorate this fascinator. If you find value, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so that you stay updated once I drop my videos. Bye.